how you can change theme or appearance in your Claude Code. So firstly, open your terminal and we want to run your Claude. So type here Claude and wait until it's running. I'm gonna allow this. And now all you're gonna have to do is to just type here slash and theme and press enter. And now you can choose the text style that looks best with your terminal. So if you scroll down, it's gonna preview terminal. Here is the dark mode, light mode, and also colorblind friendly and some other filters. You can also set here your new custom theme if you want to press enter. And if you have any saved on your computer, you can run it here. Once you are done, just press enter and you are back in your terminal with that theme. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.